This Hurricane Milton update is brought to you by Matt at RMF Engineering in York, Pennsylvania. We're starting to get some of the tropical force winds now, and we're between a rain band. This is when the power goes out. Please stay up there, Mr. Breaker. The end of the street is still flooded, and there's more rain on the way, but now we're starting to get some of the wind. Some 40-mile-an-hour gusts, maybe a little higher. Alrighty, I have a feeling we will not have power the next time I do an update. Good gusts are rolling in now.